Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I got my new soundbar in for the office. I've got a lot of soundbars, but I didn't have one in the office. So on the 5K iMac, the speakers are pretty good, but they're definitely not as good as an external set of speakers. So I mounted this soundbar up here and linked it to the 5K iMac, and just wanted to give you a few samples of the difference in sound. We know how the 5K iMac sounds, but let's check out this soundbar. Playing some different music for you. And I can control the volume from the computer too. So as you can see there, you can control the volume from the keyboard here on the Mac. I can control it with that. You can see it goes up and down. And it's got power controls over here. Right here, you've got power source and volume. It's Bluetooth also, but I chose to hardwire it, so I'll be able to get no lag. Sometimes these things kick out. But you can see it's got 4 speakers right here. Get the 4 subwoofers inside of there. I don't know how good you can see them. There's 2 over there and 2 over here. I'm pretty sure 2 of them are subwoofers and the other 2 are mids and highs. But this is a pretty nice setup. That's the brand. And it was an easy mount, man. Just mounted it up on the wall, ran the wires down. Anyway, it's your man Jay Will. See you in the next one.